So, the Pixel 10 series is still months away, but excitement is already brewing over what could set it apart from previous models. With rumors swirling about a brand new Tensor G5 chip and enhanced biometric features, this might be Google's most advanced Pixel lineup yet. Leaks have revealed codenames tied to horse breeds: Pixel 10 as Frankel, Pixel 10 Pro as Blazer, Pixel 10 Pro XL as Mustang, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold as Rango. These models suggest Google will continue offering a diverse range similar to the Pixel 9 series. Speculation points to an August 2025 launch. The Pixel 10's design is expected to build on the flatter, industrial look introduced with the Pixel 9. While the edges may still lack ergonomic appeal, Google could refine the balance between flat sides and curved edges. Display improvements are anticipated, potentially surpassing the Pixel 9's 3000 nit brightness for better outdoor visibility. Adaptive refresh rates are expected to persist, while enhanced PWM dimming may reduce eye strain by addressing the current low 240 Hz flicker rate. The introduction of the Tensor G5 chip marks a significant step forward. Rumors suggest Google is moving to TSMC's 3nm process for improved performance and heat management. The G5 chip is expected to address efficiency issues, enhance multitasking, and elevate AI-driven tasks like voice recognition and real-time translation. Camera capabilities, a hallmark of the Pixel series, are poised to improve. While hardware upgrades such as larger sensors or lenses remain speculative, AI-driven features will likely take center stage. Enhancements to night sight, astrophotography, portrait mode, and video boost are expected. New features like AI-powered video editing and zoom capabilities may further cement the Pixel 10 as a leader in computational photography. Battery life is also expected to improve, thanks to the efficiency of the Tensor G5 chip. Fast charging will likely stay in the 30 watts to 35 watts range, but wireless charging and reverse wireless charging could see enhancements. Launching with Android 16, the Pixel 10 series promises to blend cutting-edge AI features, refined hardware, and improved user experience. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.